Welcome to my channel. My name is Tessa if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. In today's video we're cleaning my fridge, and yeah, so let's jump right into it. And if you are new here, please do hit the subscribe button. We'd love for you to join the family. Oh yeah, guys, I undid my braids, so this is my natural hair. I never used to be comfortable in my natural hair, but I'm learning to embrace my Africanicity, if that's a thing. I'm learning to embrace my Africanness. Yeah, kinky curls and all. So anyways, let's jump into this video. I'm dealing with you. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. I have a cleaning schedule that I follow, and so I clean my fridge every week. Deep clean it every week. How often do you clean your fridge? And do you have a schedule that you follow? I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you know with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, flexing on my exes and my model legs. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body model legs. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you, so I'm back, bitch. Back on my boogie, back on my dish, you in the studio. Back on tequila, back on the strippers, all the groupie hoes. This could get ugly, I'm petty, I want you bad out of smoke. I'm coming crazy, baby, one thing that you should know. Little baby, bounce back, act like you a stranger, memory loss, I play it like that. Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Faded up to 42, quarters to imported blue dream inside the roll up, hold up. Watch me go up, leave you so stuck. I'm back and I'm better, think they one bitch on my level. Ain't no question, I'm a legend, baby. Don't ever forget it. No, you see me rolling in this rose gold, so cold. Oh no, I can't fuck with lanes like you no more. Back up on the scene, out here acting foolish like I'm 17. They just bought a new whip, don't need gasoline. One day I would really love to have a fridge organized like this. This is a pic I took from Pinterest, but this is something that I really want to achieve in my home. So one day, hopefully, I'll have all those organizing containers and it will look all nice.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Gotta last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body.
That's it from me for this week. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you in the next video.